This video will explain how to replace the GPS receiver module on an SPG8000 or SPG8000A sync pulse generator. To perform this procedure, it's useful to have a low static environment to protect the instrument. If possible, wear a static jacket or use a wrist strap when you get to the point where the instrument is open. The first step is to remove all the screws from the lid. These are Phillips P1 or P2, depending on your instrument. After all the screws are out, lift the lid off. Pick up your wrist strap if you haven't already done so. The GPS receiver module is located right here. This cable is a little bit in the way, so it's nice to get it out of the way. Just pull it straight up and pull it out of your way. The next step is remove the two cables which are on here. The SMB pulls straight toward the back of the instrument. Ribbon cable pulls straight up. Then you have to remove these 4 screws. They'll either be Torx or hex nuts. These are Torx T10s. The new module looks very similar. It may have 2 little switches here. That's the newest version. Mount it with the RF connector going to the rear of the instrument. It requires different screws. There's a capacitor very close to one mounting hole, so we have to use a screw with a smaller diameter. Screws, that is. It's a little hard next to the wall over there. Screws are supposed to be torqued to 5 inch-pounds. If you have a torque wrench, great. If not, then you just need to set them firmly. They won't back out. Push the SMB on directly. Mate the ribbon cable. Make sure you get all 8 pins installed, not offset on one or the other. Reconnect the ribbon cable if you took it off. Make sure everything's in place. Reinstall the lid. The extra holes go in the back for the power supplies. See which direction it goes. I usually put 1 screw in each corner just to keep things lined up. That's the last one. Should go around and torque them all to 5 inch-pounds. If you have a torque wrench, that's great. Otherwise, you'll have to estimate with your calibrated fingers. After replacing the module, power up the unit and test that the hardware and software versions are correct. So first press the system button and then press the up arrow several times to get to the hardware information. Press the right arrow once and you can see that we have 3023 module with version 1.04 software.